EC 8393 Fundamentals of Data Structures in C. Unit 1, Topic 11 is Sorting Algorithm, presented by Anuja R. APCSC, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. C. Program for bubble sort. First of all, the definition of bubble sort. Bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm in which each element is compared with adjacent element and swapped if their position is incorrect. It is named as bubble sort because same as like bubble sort is lighter element come up and heavier element is settled down. It is less efficient as its average and worst case complexity is high. There are many other fast sorting algorithms like quicksort, heap sort, etc. The sorting simplifies the problem solving in computer programming. So the main aim of sorting is to compare or we can arrange the elements from ascending to descending order. So this is the example for bubble sort. The elements are 5, 1, 4, 2, 8. In first pass, here the algorithm compare first two elements and swap them. So here the first two elements are 5 and 1. Compare 5 and 1. 1 is lesser and 5 is higher. So we can easily swap 5 and 1, right? So the next iteration, the elements are 1, 5, 4, 2, 8, right? Then next we can compare the next two elements, that is 5 and 4. So we can compare 5 and 4. 4 is lesser than 5. So we can easily swap these two elements. So the next iteration is 1, 4, 5, 2, 8, right? The next we can compare the next element is 5 and 2. So here 2 is smaller element and 5 is larger element. So we can swap 2 and 5. So the next iteration is 1, 4, 2, 5 and 8. Now these elements are already in an order, that is 8 greater than 5. And the algorithm does not swap them, right? So 5 and 8 we cannot swap them. So we can move on to the second pass. So in second pass we can compare the first two elements, that is 1 and 4. So it is no problem. It already arranged the order. Next we can compare 4 and 2. So here we can swap the element. So the next iteration is 1, 2, 4, 5 and 8. So next we can compare 4 and 5. It's no problem. It's already sorted position. Then we can compare 5 and 8. So here also we cannot swap this element. Now the array is already sorted, but our algorithm does not know if it is completed. Then the algorithm need one whole pass without any swap to know it is sorted. So next we can use the next iteration, the next passing method. So first we can compare first two elements, is 1 and 2. So it is a sorted position, so we cannot swap it. Next we can compare 2 and 4. Here also no problem, it is a sorted position. Next we can compare 4 and 5. So here also the elements are in arranging in the sorted order. Then we can compare 5 and 8. Finally the array is sorted and the algorithm can terminate. So the particular element will be arranged from ascending to descending order. The output is 1, 2, 4, 5 and 8. So the algorithm is finished or terminated. So this is the example program. Here we can declare the program stdio.h, integer main, in the array size is 100, n, c, d and swapping. Then printf, enter the element of numbers. Scanf %d ampersand n, then printf, enter %d integers. Then we can apply the for loop for c is equal to 0, c less than n, c plus plus. Then scanf ampersand array of c. Then we can apply the another one for loop, c is equal to 0, c less than n minus 1 and c plus plus. Then again we can using the another one for loop, d is equal to 0, d less than n minus c minus 1, d plus plus. Then apply the condition for descending order, right? If array of d greater than array of d plus 1, then swap the element, then swap array of d. Then array of d is equal to array of d plus 1. Array of d plus 1 is equal to swap the element, then print the sorted list for ascending order, then print the particular element, then return the value. So we can give the array element as we can enter the element as 5. The elements are 5, 1, 4, 2, 8. After sorting the particular order, that the array is 1, 2, 4 and 5. Thank you.